Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi easy. First, select high-quality sushi rice, nori sheets, and your favorite fresh fillings. Rinse your sushi rice under cold water until it runs clear, then cook it according to package directions. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and a pinch of salt. This gives the rice its signature flavor and texture. Next, place a nori sheet on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small border at the top. Arrange your desired fillings, like crisp cucumber, creamy avocado, or fresh fish, in a line across the center of the rice. Now, use the bamboo mat to carefully roll the sushi tightly, applying gentle, even pressure. To cut your sushi, moisten a very sharp knife with water to prevent sticking. Slice the roll into 6 to 8 uniform pieces with a single, smooth motion. Arrange your beautiful, homemade sushi on a plate. Serve it alongside traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of spicy wasabi, and refreshing pickled ginger. Enjoy the delicious results of your efforts. Here are a few final tips for perfect sushi. Always keep your hands and knife slightly damp to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Avoid overfilling your rolls. A modest amount of filling makes for easier rolling and a more stable piece. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first few aren't flawless. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.